हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा सेप्टेम्बर 3rd आउ 4th वीक करेन्ट अफेयर्स, जो थे आम वन लाइनर करेन्ट अफेयर्स डिस्कसन करवा ओनली क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। ओके, सो नो एक्सप्लेनेशन। सो ये आपण हेल्प करवा आपण नोट करेंगे खातार प्लस आपन क्विक मु 100 क्वेश्चन वन लाइनर डिस्कसन करी। सो चलते स्टार्ट करिया फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, India undertook its maiden 2+2 ministerial dialogue with which country? So the answer is Australia. Okay, so Australia is the right answer. Next question, R.N. Ravi has been appointed as the new governor of which state? So the answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question, the Earth observation satellite Gaofen 502 has been launched by which country? The answer is China. Who has been appointed as the governor of Uttarakhand following the resignation of former governor Babirani Moria? So the answer is Gurmeet Singh. The world's largest plant designed to capture carbon dioxide directly out of the air has been inaugurated in which country? It is in Iceland. What is the theme of BRICS Summit 2021? So what is the theme of BRICS Summit 2021? That is BRICS @15 stronger partnership and a brighter future. Okay, BRICS is the nation. There are 5 nations in the BRICS, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Which ministry has launched Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2021? So the answer is Ministry of Jal Shakti. So it is a new formed ministry. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Nagaland? So the answer is Jagdish Mukhi. India's first ever emergency landing strip at National Highway for the Indian Air Force planes has been launched in which state? The answer is Rajasthan. Who is newly appointed governor of Punjab? The answer is Banwarilal Purohit. Who has won the Women's Prize for Fiction for the fantasy novel Pinarasi? So the answer is Susan Clarke. The world's fastest day is being observed globally on which date in 2021? So the answer is 11 September. So what is the theme of fastest day? The fastest and road safety. A new book titled Bullets Over Bombay, Satya and the Hindi film Gangster has been authored by whom among the following writers? The answer is Uday Bhatia. Which nation's president has ousted in a military coup? The answer is Guinea. So Guinea is the correct answer. Next question, Neeraj Chopra has been appointed as the brand ambassador of which companies? So the answer is Tata AIA Life Insurance. Okay, India is the host country for the 16th assembly of ASOSAI in 2024. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the assembly on behalf of India? So it is GC Murmu. India's largest open-air fernery has been inaugurated in which of these places? It is Ranikhet. Which state has launched the millet mission to become the hub of millet in India? It is Chhattisgarh. Aziz Akhnouch has been announced as the new Prime Minister of which nation? The answer is Morocco. Which country became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as the national currency? The answer is Salvador. What is the name given to India's first ever satellite and nuclear missile tracking ship? The answer is INS Dhruv. The world's largest plant that can capture carbon dioxide directly from the air has started operating in which nation? The answer is Iceland. Devyajyoti Mishra has won the Best Music Director Award in which country? Answer is Spain. Which player has won the 2021 US Open Women's Single title? The answer is Emma Raducanu. Who has won the US Open 2021 final in men category? The answer is Daniil Medvedev. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Commission for Minorities? The answer is Iqbal Singh Lalpura. Which football player has scripted his name in the Guinness World Records for becoming the highest goal kick scorer in the men's international football history? The answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. Who has become the first professional golfer in the world to receive the prestigious 10-year Dubai Golden Visa? The answer is Jeev Milkha Singh. Which state has achieved the top position in the installation of off-grid solar pumps under PM Kusum? The answer is Haryana. Who has become the first woman excavation engineer to work in an open cast mine at Central Coalfields Limited? The answer is Shivani Meena. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Lebanon? The answer is Najib Mikati. Rebecca Greenspan has taken charge as the first woman Secretary General of which United Nations body? The answer is UNCTAD, UNCTAD. The Government of India observes Hindi Day on which date? The answer is September 14. Which nation will host the 2021 ASEO Summit in a hybrid format? The answer is Tajikistan. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Indian National Space Promotion Authorization Center? The answer is Pawan Kumar Goenka. National Engineering Day is being celebrated in India on which day? The answer is September 15. The Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of the Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh State University in which city? The answer is Aligarh. The International Day of Democracy is being celebrated every year on which date? The answer is September 15, and the theme of Democracy Day is COVID-19 Spotlight on Democracy. The first ever in-person Quad Leader Summit is scheduled to be held in which country? The answer is US. The AI-based language translator software Project Udan has been launched by which Indian institute? The answer is IIT Bombay. India's first CO2 capture plant which extracts CO2 directly from the blast furnace gas has been launched by which company? The answer is Tata Steel. The campaign titled Shunya has been launched by which organization to promote zero pollution delivery vehicles? The answer is Niti Aayog. Who has won the National Florence Nightingale Award 2021 for service amid COVID-19? The answer is Bhanumati Ghiwala. What is the theme of 2021 World Ozone Day? The answer is Montreal Protocol, keeping us our food and vaccines cool. It is celebrated on September 16. Which Indian organization has won the UNESCO King Sejong Literacy Prize 2021 under the UNESCO International Literacy Prizes? The answer is National Institute of Open Schooling. The artificial intelligence powered project iRaste, which aims to reduce road accidents, has been launched on a pilot basis in which city by the Ministry for Road Transport and Highways? The answer is Nagpur. Which country tested the indigenously developed submarine launched ballistic missile SLBM and become the first country without a nuclear weapon to develop such a missile system? The answer is South Korea. The Government of India which will host the first ever Global Buddhist Conference in November 2021 in which state? The answer is Bihar. Anand Kumar conferred with the Swami Brahmanand Award 2021 for contribution in which field? The answer is education. Which nation's cricket team has abandoned the Pakistan tour for citing security concerns? The answer is New Zealand. The reforms in urban planning capacity in India report suggests that every city must aspire to become a healthy city for all by which year? The answer is 2030. Who has been featured on Time Magazine's 100 most influential people on the 2021 list? The answer is all of the Mamata Banerjee, Narendra Modi, Adar Poonawalla. Okay. Which organization has launched 4 amateurs on its first ever Earth circling trip? The answer is SpaceX, whose owner is Elon Musk. Australia has partnered with which countries to develop nuclear powered submarines? The answer is UK and US. Who is the head of the committee constituted by the Minister of Defence for the comprehensive review of NCC? The answer is Bajyant Panda from Odisha. The annual doing business report will no longer be released due to data irregularities issues. The report has been released by which organization? That is World Bank. Who is the head of the GOM formed for better implementation of various of welfare schemes meant for the SC, ST, OBC minorities women? The answer is Rajnath Singh. Which institute has launched the unique and innovative device that can generate electricity from water drops, raindrops, water streams and other waves? The answer is IIT Delhi. Which campaign has been launched by the Department of Justice for justice delivery at the doorstep? The answer is Ek Pahal. The 2021 meeting of the SCO Council of Heads of State has been held in which place? The answer is Dushanbe. Who is the author of the book Translating Myself and Others? The answer is Jhumpa Lahiri. What is the theme of the 2021 World Bamboo Day? The answer is plant bamboo. It is time to plant bamboo. Who has been the representative of India in person at the 21st meeting of the SCO Councils of Heads of the State? The answer is S. Jaishankar, who is the External Affairs Minister of the Cabinet. Which day in the year is being celebrated as the Bamboo Day? So it is September 18. Who has been named as 2021 International Young Eco Hero for Environmental Achievements? The answer is Ayan Sangta. The Surya Kiran XV is a joint military training exercise of the Indian Army with which country? The answer is Nepal. Which organization is working on technologies in order to develop a reusable GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle? The answer is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Who authored the book titled Shining Sikh Youth of India? The answer is Pravleen Singh. Who has been named as the mentor of the Indian cricket men's team for the ICC T20 World Cup 2021? The answer is MS Dhoni. Who has been appointed as the Sustainable Development Goals Advocate ahead of the start of the 76th UN General Assembly? The answer is Kailash Satyarthi, who won Peace Prize in Nobel. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2021? The answer is Pankaj Advani. Which country has recently launched the world's first all-civilian crew into the Earth orbit under the mission named Inspiration 4? The answer is SpaceX. Hatay chilli, which has been granted the GI tag, belongs to which state? The answer is Manipur. Which country has been barred from participating in the Winter Olympics Beijing in 2022? The answer is North Korea. Who is the author of the book titled The Three Khans and the Emergence of New India? The answer is Khaveri Bamjai. Which edition of the Primetime Emmy Awards ceremony was held on September 19 in Los Angeles, California? The answer is 73rd. Which country may become the world's third largest importer by 2050 according to a document launched by the UK's Department of International Trade? The answer is India. What is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index ranking 2021? That is 46. The National Florence Nightingale Award 2020 was awarded to whom by President Ramnath Kovind? The answer is S.P. Saraswati. Each year, the International Day of Peace is observed. On which date? The answer is September 21. Justin Trudeau has won the Prime Minister election in which country? The answer is Canada. Which country was officially admitted as the 9th full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? The answer is Iran. The archaeologist from the Archaeological Survey of India discovered the Shankhalipi inscription on the stairs of an ancient temple in which state? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who became the fastest Indian to summit two peaks located in Africa and Russia? Gita Samota. Samudra Shakti is a bilateral exercise between India and which country? Indonesia. World Rhino Day celebrated every year on which date? The answer is September 22. Who won his second consecutive tournament of this month? The Norway Chess Open 2021 Masters section. The answer is D. Gukesh. The rise of Lake Tanganyika has forced 1 lakh people to migrate. The lake is in which country? The answer is Burundi. Who has been appointed the subsequent Chief of Air Staff? The answer is B.R. Chaudhary. How many beaches in India have received the Blue Flag certification? The answer is 10. Which state is setting up a tea park at Chaigaon in Kamrup district? The answer is Assam. What is the official motto of the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics? The answer is Together for a Shared Future. The first edition of the Himalayan Film Festival will start at which city? The answer is Leh. Who released a book titled Dancing with Dreams? The answer is Adityanath Das. Who has been chosen for the 2021 Changemaker Award for her work promoting good health and well-being by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? The answer is Ferju Feja Bhitar. Stepan Yanev has been appointed as the caretaker Prime Minister of which country? The answer is Bulgaria. Who has grabbed the 24th world title when he trimmed at the IBSF 6 Red Snooker World Cup? The answer is Pankaj Advani. Who has released the book titled Jungle Nama? The answer is Amitabh Ghosh. Who won the 2021 Global Goalkeeper Award? The answer is Pumzail Lambo Enjishuk. The world's highest electric vehicle charging station was inaugurated in which state? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Who will release his new novel titled 400 Days? Chetan Bhagat will release this book. Who will head the 12-member committee to develop new curriculums for school, early childhood, teacher and adult education? The answer is K. Kasturiranjan. Who has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of Odisha? The answer is Jalat Kumar Tripathi. The International Astronomical Union has named a crater at the moon's south pole after whose name? The answer is Matthew Henson. Which state will host the Men's Hockey Junior World Cup at the Kalinga Stadium? The answer is Odisha. Who has been elected as the chairman of the Audit Bureau of Circulations for the year 2021-2022? The answer is Debabrata Mukherjee. Who is the author of the book titled The Fractured Himalayan? How the Past Shadows the Present in India-China Relation? The answer is Nirupama Rao. Who has launched a new space startup called Privatir Space? The answer is Steve Wozniak. Who is the author of the book titled The Long Game: How the Chinese Negotiate with India? The answer is Vijay Gokhale. Which country declared the all transactions involving cryptocurrencies illegal? The answer is China. Indian Prime Minister is to address which session of UNGA on 25th September 2021? The answer is 76th. He already addressed on 25th September. Minister of Defense has ordered how many main battle tanks MBTs Arjun Mk1A for the Indian Army? The answer is 118. So thank you so much for listening this video. Like and share this video to your friends and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.